Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk and I thought it was time to update my Amazon Echo. So we've got the Amazon Echo here. I believe this is the second generation, and we've got the Amazon Echo Dot here, which is the third generation. So I thought I'd do a dual unboxing of them. So first of all, we're going to start with the Echo Dot. So let's move this out of the way. So the Echo Dot's a very similar sort of technology inside. This one has a lot more power and performance compared to this one, but it's nice to have this one around so you can get music in different rooms depending where you are. If you need to desperately ask Alexa something, you can do. So this is the Echo Dot. It's the third generation, so they've had 3 different generations now, which is great. This comes in heather grey, so it looks really nice in the grey style, and it can come in other colours. So there is charcoal or sandstone. There is actual more choices for the Echo, so it depends what you want. So on Amazon UK, it costs $29.99. So improved sound and design compared to previous models, very much so. Powerful Alexa built in to help answer your requests. Again, a lot of these are going to be similar for both. Can stream music with a range of media outlets depending on subscriptions as well, so please be note of that. You can call or message anyone with Echo devices, so that is through the Alexa app, and you can drop into other rooms. So that's going to be cool. We're actually going to test that out. So you can drop into a room and say, "Oi, the dinner's ready," and people will come running in for their dinner. So Alexa is always improving and always listening to you, which I think is really key here and very good to note. So taking a look on the front first of all of this one, so Echo Dot, add Alexa to any room. So Alexa, play song, call mum, and what's the weather. Amazon, you've got far field voice control, so it will recognize you across the room and also over music. On this side here we have the range of streaming services and third-party applications it will work with. The main one for me is Hue lighting systems from Philips, which is always good to see. So coming around to the back here, we have a little bit more information. So the top one says here, add Alexa to any room. So with this, you can add Alexa to any room and get information, hear music, and use your third-party applications in any room you choose. Underneath that, it says designed around your voice. So it will use the far-field microphones built in to understand your voice and hear you and give you what you want. Voice control music throughout your home. So you can say play on all or play on selected room. We're going to set this up together and I'll show you in the application. So control your smart home hands-free. So that's one thing I like about the Hue lighting system. I can just say to Alexa, oh, it's nighttime, and all the lights go off. So on the side here, we've got Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and we have an audio line out. So let's get it unboxed. So there's just a bit of a tab here. I like now that they give you the different color options, and that looks really nice. Grey seems to be the in colour for 2019. You've got the Amazon smile there. So inside here we've got Echo Dot. This is just going to be information and setup. So using the Alexa app. So Echo Dot again, this is more like your user manual. Make sure you read through this if you need to. And then things to try. It's got a different card here with things to try. And if you do have any problems or any queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Underneath here, you're just going to find a 3-pin UK plug and then your connection to your Echo Dot. So now let's unbox the other one first of all. So just setting that one to the side, let's bring in the Echo. This is the Echo second generation. So I've got the first generation downstairs. It comes in charcoal or sandstone in fabric, and also it has an oak finish, a walnut finish, or a silver finish. So in the UK it costs about $89.99. So Alexa built in, making it a smart speaker, giving you the ability to use Alexa skills, play music, make calls, set an alarms, timers, and ask questions. You can check your calendar, weather, traffic, and sports score, manage to-dos and shopping lists, control compatible smart devices throughout your home, and it is that simple. So down here at the bottom you've got far field voice control with 7 microphones, beamforming technology, and noise cancellation. Echo hears you from any direction, even while music is playing. So let's have a look around this product. So again, you have a list of different things here that you can ask. Turn into the side, again, you've got loads of third-party applications that it will work with. Sky Sports is a good one here. Hive is really good. I'm thinking about inputting a Hive into the house. Spotify I use, but again, you'll need third-party application or subscriptions for that, and same with Amazon Music as well. Depending on on your thing. Audible I have got now, so I'm looking forward to just sitting back and listening to my audibles through my Echo. So on the rear here, we've got loads of information. I'm going to go through that now. So designed around your voice, Echo there, voice control music throughout your home, make hands-free calls. You've got rich, crisp, room-filling sound, which is good, 360-degree sound, so you're going to be immersed in music. Second generation far-field voice recognition, I said about that before, with 7 microphones. It's going to hear you wherever you are. Voice control your smart home, again, same as the Echo, and always getting smarter. With Alexa skills, you'll get updates, and if you sign up to the emails as well, which is really good, actually update you in the emails with the new skills Alexa can do. And I really recommend that, and I'm going to do a new weekly sort of roundup video, new skills that the Google Home can do and what Alexa can do. Obviously, Apple needs to step up their place this year. I think 2019 is a big year for Apple. So on the side here, we've got Alexa voice service, you've got Bluetooth, and you've got Wi-Fi. So the key thing with this one is you've got an audio line in as well. So let's get this one unboxed and see what they both look like together. Again, you have a tab just at the top here. So my question of the day is, do you have an Alexa, or do you have a Google Home, or do you have Apple HomePod? If you have all three, nice one. I'm actually really pleased with that. I like people that have all three. I think it's best to have all three because then you get the best of everything. Not everyone can afford it, so I understand that. But if you have all three, you get the best ability. So at the moment, I have 2 out of the 3. So there is the Echo. This is considerably smaller than the first generation, but is apparently more powerful. Again, you're going to find a UK 3-pin plug, and we have Echo, got Echo. Then finally, you can ask Alexa, and this shows you all the different skills that you can ask Alexa and what your Echo can actually do. That heather grey looks really nice. I like that. Adds style and sophistication to your house. Amazon, I wish that wasn't there. I wish you didn't see Amazon on it, but that's okay. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up here. I can just see 7 dots all the way around, and that's your microphone. So your microphones are there. You do have buttons on here that we're going to go through a bit later on. So your mic off, your main Alexa button if you need to speak to her, volume up and volume down. Again, it's just nice. I like the feel of this. It has a very textured feel to it. So one thing, it didn't actually say on the box, but it does have, it has your power. Then you have an audio out here. So you can use an audio out for other devices if you so wish to. That's nice to see. Shame it's not on the box, and I couldn't find it in the description as well when I was reading through. So again, the Echo Dot is going to be very similar. This one has 4 microphone dots again, and you have the same buttons. Again, you've got that nice heather feel. It has a nice rubberized base here, and then on the back here you have your audio, and then you have your power. So I noticed with this one, it doesn't actually have Amazon written on it. So they put it on the Echo, but not the Dot, and I wish it wasn't on there. But the question also I want to ask is, did you get one of these for Christmas? And was you excited to receive one? I love receiving technology gifts, but they are expensive, so that's why I mainly treat myself. Then I'll either keep them or sell them. But it's nice to have an upgrade to audio systems around the house and improving the smart home. So let's get these connected, and then we're going to switch over and show you the Alexa app and setting up both of these as well, and going through any problems that you may receive at home. And if you are having any, drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to help. Moving over to my iPhone now, or you could use the Google Play Store. You need to go into the iOS App Store here and download Amazon Alexa. This is how you're going to set up your devices. So what we're going to do is open, and then what you'll need to do is log in with your Amazon account or create one to use these devices, and then connect it up to your device here. So going down here to the bottom is device list. So I've already got one device there, and we're going to connect these 2 up now, and then we're going to set them up as well together. So you're going to see the halo of lights.
Hello, your Amazon Echo is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hello, to continue, download the Alexa app.
So we're going to hit the plus button here in the top corner. So it says add device. So we're going to add device, and we're going to add an Amazon Echo. It's Echo. So begin Echo setup. It needs us now to go into settings, Wi-Fi network. So what we need to do is go into settings here. We're going to go into Wi-Fi, and then you're going to see Amazon here. So one of them is going to be the Echo, and one of them is going to be the Dot. So we'll try this one first of all.
You've connected to Echo. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
So go back to your application, so continue. So then it's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi network here. So mine's the top one, and this means it's going to be set up on your network then and connect to other devices as well. It's all set up and ready to go, so we're going to hit continue. So it's saying about the speaker, so we can connect a cable, connect via Bluetooth, or just use the speaker built inside. So where is your Echo? So at the moment it's in a bedroom. We're going to hit continue here, and then they have a video here just demonstrating demonstrating what it can do. So I actually paused the microphone here. I've actually turned off the microphone. That is why it's in red, because otherwise it was saying Alexa, it was going to go off all the time. So press that again, and then it will be back live. So now we're going to add our Echo Dot. So we're going to go to the plus sign here. We're going to add device, and it's an Amazon Echo, and it is an Echo Dot, which is this one. Again, select our Wi-Fi network.
Your device is ready.
So use the built-in speaker again. Where is it again? And you can change and adjust your settings depending where you are, like kitchen. We can go in here and change this if we so wish to. But now it's all set up and ready to go. The systems are very easy to use, and I recommend that you do use the app all the time here to change and adjust your settings, but also you can have a look on the actual speakers themselves. You've got plus and minus for volume. You've got your mic, the mute, and again, same over here. We'll go red and then go red as well. You've got volume up and down, and the ring will fill up. Same on the Echo Dot, and then you have an actual Alexa button. Alexa is always growing and getting smarter, learning new skills. So in the email update I've had just today, it's actually listing the new skills. So let me show you what they are. So in my email, if I go into my email here, you'll get an email and you can sign up for this, and it tells you all the new things that Alexa can do. So let's go through some of these. So Alexa, what's the question of the day?
Welcome to Question of the Day, your daily trivia challenge. Each day, I'll ask you a new question. Answer the question correctly and earn points. And if you would like for me to repeat a question, just say repeat the question. Here is your first question of the day. The topic is arts and entertainment. It is worth 4 points. The famous logo used by the Rolling Stones, which includes lips and a tongue, debuted with which 1971 album? You can choose from A, Sticky Fingers, B, Joshua Tree, C, The White Album, or D, Exile on Main Street.
Sticky Fingers.
Good job. You have earned your first arts and entertainment badge and 4 points.
So that was the question of the day. So it also has here, Alexa, tell me a cat joke.
What does a cat say when he stubs his toe? Meow.
Very poor there. Alexa, how do I make a call?
To use calling and messaging, check you have the latest version of the Alexa app and follow the prompts in it to get signed up. Then you can say something like, Alexa, call John Smith. They can answer using their Echo device or the Alexa app on their phone.
So it uses so much different options here, and there's full of options, but I'm going to do a new weekly roundup video, like I said, just showing you all the latest and fun features of Alexa. Is drop into another room. So if I unmic this one, Alexa, drop into kitchen.
I couldn't find that name. Do you want to drop in on Ricky's second Echo Dot?
Yes. So that is how the drop-in feature works there. It's actually better when the two devices are separate, but you can then just say, oh, either dinner's ready or I need you. Instead of shouting around the house, you can just drop into your device. And once that's all set up in here, and once the name is done correctly, that will work perfectly. But I just wanted to show you there some of the features of the brand new Echo and also the Echo Dot. The links for both of these will be in the description. And if you have any questions or queries regarding the Alexa app or the actual products itself, cancel. I will be more than happy to help. So from me, Ricky, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.